recording.
This is not a stunt. I've got the point through, now I'm just going to get the barb through. As Mark said, this is the worst part.
Everything for me is a piece of piss.
Oh. Oh. Ow. Ow. Oh. Fuck, it's like pushing on my bone.
Well, it might be.
Huh?
Come on, we'll miss the bite.
Nearly.
I need a pair of pliers. Fuck me dead. This is just going to be fucking brutal. Ow, ow, ow.
I'm glad it's you and not me, mate.
You're my hero, Rob. Barb through?
No!
Let's say you have to keep going until the barb's through.
Oh. Now we have the barb through. Now, with what little strength I've got left in my hands, I'm going to try and cut that fucking hook.
No, let me do it. It'll take 2 hands.
Hey?
Truly.
Leave a bit of slack. No, cut it. Yeah.
Right.
Alright. Oh, fuck, look at it. Okay, here we go. Ah.
That was easy, wasn't it?
Fuck.
Mark's trying not to laugh. He's just holding the camera and he is pissing himself.
More blood than a back cheer.
Well done, mate.
Yeah! Do you want a kiss, Robbie?
Rock on, rock on!
Yeah, I'll wash it off.
Oh.
I might put it on my phone.
When was the last time you had a tetanus?
Hey?
No, that won't.
No, just straight out of the fucking back cheer's mouth. Right, electrical tape. Hang on, electrical tape.
All good? Say goodbye.